Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest in Tesla, beginner guide step by step clearly. To invest in Tesla, start by researching the company. Understand its business model, products, and market position. Familiarize yourself with recent news and developments related to Tesla. Next, choose a reliable brokerage platform. Look for a platform that offers user-friendly features and educational resources. Sign up for an account and complete the necessary verification steps. Once your account is set up, deposit funds into your brokerage account. Consider how much you are willing to invest in Tesla shares. Navigate to Tesla's stock page on your brokerage platform. Check the current stock price and review any related market analysis. Determine the number of shares you want to buy based on your budget. Place your order, choosing between a market order or a limit order. A market order buys shares at the current price, while a limit order allows you to set a specific price. Review your order details carefully before confirming the purchase. After buying shares, monitor Tesla's stock performance regularly. Keep an eye on news that may impact Tesla's stock value. Regularly review your investment strategy and adjust your portfolio as needed. Consider setting up alerts for significant price changes or news updates. Educate yourself continuously about investing and the electric vehicle market. Lastly, be patient and keep a long-term perspective on your investment journey. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.